Quick play is shit, here's why. Healers don't exist in there. 5 to 6 DPS teams. Hanzo. I literally want to kill myself. Okay, to be honest, the reason why I don't enjoy quick play is because of unfair it's compared to competitive. In competitive, you are put against the people which are the same skill tier as you. In quick play, it doesn't care. You go against bronzes or masters. It isn't fun to go against more skilled players which goes, come on, meanwhile your team has 5 DPS and 1 healer. Why you complain about quick play, you may ask now? Well, it's because when I don't feel like playing comp and I want to play normally, I usually go mess around in quick play. But as I say, there can be masters or grandmasters in opposite team. I want to have fun and fair match. Quick play doesn't matter so much in comp, but default be a nice little fix so it doesn't feel so unfair. Big thanks to HighTierMate for making me these Clank pictures and Master Game for making PNG for me. So check Master Game out if you like Touhou videos.